Hello, I'm Rini, and this is my friend Kliko.
Hi everybody.
We are here to help you learn about computers. Hey Kliko, I heard that you are a very smart machine.
Yes, I am Rini.
What is a machine, Kliko?
Well, Rini, machines are man-made things that make our work easy. We use many types of machines in our daily life.
Tell me about some of the machines that we use daily.
We use a washing machine to wash clothes, a television to watch serials, movies or sports, a fridge to keep food and water cool, a juicer to make juices or shakes, and a CD player to listen to music.
Is the computer also a machine, Kliko?
Yes, Rini, the computer is also a machine. In fact, it is a very smart machine.
Really? Tell me more about computers.
Sure.
Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the first computer chapter of our class 6, which is Computer Fundamentals. Students, today in the age of literary revolution, computer has become an integral part of our life. We can say that computers has entered each and every work of life. Most of our daily activities either in the use of computer or depends upon the information derived from computer. Children, nowadays you are all steady with the help of computer. Either a desktop computer, a laptop computer or your Android phone, which is also a type of computer. What is computer? Computer is a data processing electronic machine. What is meant by data? Data means information. The computer is used to store a large amount of information and instructions for future use and to process data accurately at high speed. The computer has three main units. They are input unit, central processing unit and output unit. Now we will discuss about the three units in detail. First one, input unit. The input unit is the link between the user and computer. What is meant by user? A person who uses or operates the computer. It is used for accepting the data from the user. There are many input devices. There are keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, digital camera, scanner, etc. are the other input devices. Keyboard and mouse are the commonly used input device. First one, keyboard. Keyboard is the most common input devices for all computers. It is just like a conventional typewriter and also has some additional keys provided for performing advanced functions. Next important input device is mouse. Mouse is a popular input device used to pointing the cursor. It is used to manage the position of a cursor in the screen. Generally, it has two buttons called left button and right button and a wheel placed in between the two buttons to scroll the contents. Next one, light pen. Light pen is one of the input devices used to select the menu items in the screen. Children, it is just like a normal pen. Joystick. Joystick is an input device. It has spherical balls each at its both lower and upper ends. It is also a pointing device which is used to move cursor position on the monitor screen. The joystick can be moved in all four directions. Next, trackball. Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in notebook or laptop computer instead of a mouse. It looks like a upside down mouse. The on-screen pointer is moved by the trackball with the thumb or finger. The central processing unit is referred to as the brain of the computer. Since it does all the processing works according to the instructions given by the user. This unit consists of three component unit. There are arithmetic and logical unit, control unit and memory unit. First one, arithmetic and logical unit. This unit performs all the arithmetic calculations and logical comparisons. The arithmetic calculations include additions, subtractions, multiplication and division. Logical comparisons are greater than, less than and equal to, etc. All data are sent here for processing and after manipulation, it directs the result to memory unit. This unit also consists of accumulators and registers. Next one, control unit. This control unit coordinates and controls the input, output, processing and storage activities. Next one, memory unit. That means computer memory. A computer works like the human brain. And the computer memory is similar to the memory of human beings. Computer has two types of memory for storage. One is primary memory, another one is secondary memory. What is primary memory? The memory used for internal storage is called as primary memory. What is secondary memory? The memory used for external storage is called as secondary memory. The primary memory is divided into two types, namely RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. Next one, the secondary memory. The internal storage of a computer is limited. Hence, the external storage can be used for permanent storage of data. It is called as secondary memory. For example, in our Android phone, the phone memory is limited. Hence, we can use the memory card. That means SD card. The same like here secondary memory also. The example for secondary storage devices of computer are floppy disk, hard disk, pen drive and compact disk. Compact disk means CD. Okay children, shall we recall now? What is computer? Computer is a data processing electronic machine. What are the three units of computer? Input unit, central processing unit and output unit. The input unit is the link between the user and computer. It is used for accepting the data from user. For example, mouse, keyboard, digital camera and scanner. What is CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is referred to as the brain of the computer. There are three parts in Central Processing Units: Arithmetic Logical Unit, Control Unit and Memory Unit. Okay students, I hope you all understood this lesson clear. Thank you students.